money. Let's not get into the politics of it, Abhishek. I just want to ask you, why can't the center and the state come to a negotiating table and speak about the issue, Abhishek? What is the issue?
The issue is that it has all this political drama has triggered only after the result of Huzurabad election. It is evident that on multiple occasions, almost like on a daily or alternate basis, CM KCR, who rarely makes any public appearance or media appearance, is out on showing his political desperation. This party, the state government, both are very inconsistent on their stance on the farmer bills. If you see, they had actually called for a protest on the farmer bills. They did a protest of bike rally and other, half-day show. Later, you see the chief minister saying that these are actually the most ideal farm bills and that farmer is to benefit from this. He did it in an official government of Telangana press meet. And again, you see after 2 months, after the debacle in Huzurabad, now they say that these formulas are not in interest of the farmers. So it is purely political opportunism. It is their confusion tactics and it is their diversion tactics. The CM has promised that
No, Abhishek, I'm sorry. Abhishek, you spoke in. I mean, you should also allow me, no? We are both in a conversation. Otherwise, it's a monologue. You can carry on, Abhishek.
My point has not yet come.
No, your point has come. Your point has come. Huzurabad, therefore the protest. Suppose the Huzurabad Dubaka had not happened. You think the farmers of Telangana are not impacted because the center has no clear policy on paddy procurement? Shouldn't you be speaking also?
I was coming to the farmers.
So please quickly.
The chief minister who is not even sensitive to respond, who doesn't even go to a secretariat. Today you are seeing him coming out.
Again, you're talking like that. Why would he not? Why would he not? I mean, the thing is, any chief minister worth his salt in this country called India, also Bharat, is because we are an agrarian society and will speak for the you. Please tell me, why does the center have a dual policy so far as Punjab is concerned and Telangana is concerned? Do you have an answer, Abhishek?
The procurement of paddy by FCI, if you have actually gone through the supply chain, market chain and the pattern, is actually different in different states.
All right.
In Bihar, the Food Corporation of India directly procures. In different states, in Punjab, it is done through the mandi system. In South India, it is done through the agriculture market produce committees and the department of the government. So the system since independence has not been uniform. In Bihar, in Punjab, in North, in South, it has been different. It has been like this. It is not that the Bharatiya Janata Party government or the NDA government has gotten this thing.
Right.
We don't have a uniform system.
I'm going to...
For the local markets,
I'm grateful for all of you men.